The next letter is Chaf. This is the way to write it down. Now, do you remember the letter bet? We have the special dot inside the letter. We changed the pronunciation of the letter. Now, in this letter, whenever we have the dot inside it, it is pronounced as K, like K in English. K, kaf, with the dot. Without the dot, it is chaf, just like chet. Ch. The pronunciation is similar to the letter chet we just learned in the previous lesson. Ch, chaf, k, kaf. Another special feature of this letter is whenever this letter comes in the end of the word, it looks differently. In Hebrew, we have some letters that are written down differently whenever they appear in the end of a word. So in this case, we write it down like so, or like so. This is the form of the chaf that appears at the end of the word. It will always look like that in the end. In every other place in the word, at the beginning or the middle, it will look like so, with or without the dot, doesn't matter. The next letter is Lamed. The English equivalent is L. Also very easy to write it down. Lamed. L. Next is Mem. Just follow my hand in this letter. It looks like this. Mem. The English equivalent is M. Mem. M. Now, once again, whenever this letter comes in the end of a word, it looks differently. It also has a final form. And it looks like so. This is Mem, its final form. So once again, Mem in the end of the word. Whenever we have a Mem, we write it like so, just like a square. In every other place in the word, in the beginning or in the middle, the Mem looks like this. Lamed, Mem.